Welcome to The Explainer. Right now, we are smack in the middle of a massive, absolutely fundamental tech shift. We're talking about moving away from an era where artificial intelligence basically just helps us think and stepping into a reality where AI actively executes complex work for us. And we're not just going to talk theories today. We're actually diving into a real-world case study to see exactly how this jump from chat to autonomous action plays out in real time.
Here is our roadmap for today. We'll kick things off with the AI execution era, look at the information overload problem, enter the agent team, build an autonomous workflow, and then wrap up with managing outcomes over tasks. Let's get into it.
Section 1. The AI execution era, moving from chat to action.
So, for the last couple of years, we've pretty much all been living at what you could call the information layer. You know how it is, your standard chat interface. You ask a question, the AI gives you an answer, and it helps you brainstorm or think. But that is exactly where it stops. The true leap, the real game changer here, happens when we move to the execution layer. We're talking about leaving single-feature chat tools behind. This is about AI that literally helps us execute multi-step work and build completely autonomous workflows.
Moving to Section 2. The information overload problem. Why we are drowning in data.
To really wrap our heads around this, let's take a look at the daily routine of a content creator who goes by Professor Crypto. Every single day, he consumes a truly staggering amount of information just to stay ahead of the curve. I mean, he's tracking crypto and AI news, keeping tabs on startup fundraising rounds, emerging narratives, DePIN projects, which are physical infrastructure networks, token launches, broad market trends, you name it. It is just an incredibly exhausting manual process of consumption just to keep pace with the industry. And honestly, haven't we all been here? You collect all this incredibly valuable daily information, and where does it end up? It disappears into this endless graveyard of bookmarks, dozens of open browser tabs that you absolutely swear you're going to read later, and completely forgotten notes apps. This massive, overwhelming collection phase actually stops you from creating a real tangible product simply because you're drowning in data. So the professor decided to try and turn all this scattered research into a consistent newsletter to share his market insights. But he hit a brick wall. Drafting the content, step 4, isn't even the hardest part. The real bottleneck is all the manual labor you have to do before you ever type a single word. You've got to gather and organize the info, accurately connect the dots between totally disparate events, and then synthesize the whole shebang to form a unique perspective. Trying to do that consistently is a monumental task. Naturally, you're probably thinking, well, just use AI to help, right? But here's the thing. Standard AI tools often make the process way more chaotic. When you start juggling ChatGPT, Claude, and Perplexity for all these different tasks, you run headfirst into the fragmentation problem. You're constantly switching platforms, copying and pasting content back and forth, manually syncing information just to keep it organized. Your workflow basically becomes completely broken and super frustrating. Which brings us to Section 3. Enter the agent team. Unified AI workflows.
Using platforms like Axio Work, we arrive at the solution. But first, we need to define what an agent team actually is. It's a system where multiple AI agents aren't just sitting in isolated separate chat windows. Instead, they are assigned very distinct responsibilities, kind of like employees in a company, and they collaborate within one single unified workflow. It stops feeling like disjointed software and actually starts functioning like an always-on operations team that you get to manage.
Now, right at the top of this whole system is the team lead agent. In this setup, this specific AI steps into the role of your ultimate project manager. And this fundamentally flips your entire dynamic with the technology. You aren't just prompting an AI to do one little task anymore. The team lead agent is actually managing the other AI workers for you. The workload this team lead agent handles is seriously impressive. It takes a big, complex goal, breaks it down into actionable tasks, and farms that work out to specific specialized agents. It tracks the progress of the whole operation, coordinates the outputs so they seamlessly blend together, and, maybe the coolest part, it actually organizes cross-checks between the agents to make sure the final output is accurate and consistent. The AI is literally managing itself to guarantee a high-quality result.
All right, Section 4, building an autonomous workflow. Real-world execution.
To see this in action, the professor asked his agent team to research the biggest market developments over the past 7 days. The AI went out and mapped specific topics directly to serious real-world developments. For regulation, it pulled the SEC's Strategic Point 2030. For tech giants, it flagged Microsoft's unmetered AI initiative. For hardware, NVIDIA's AI chip export restrictions. This proves the system is out there doing real, substantive market analysis, not just spitting back high-level fluff.
But gathering facts is only step one. The AI agents then analyzed how these completely distinct events actually connected. They spotted a massive, overarching trend to serve as the core thesis for the newsletter. They concluded that unrestricted AI agents and tokenized real-world assets are actively merging into a self-managing, 24/7 financial ecosystem. The AI literally connected the dots and formed a highly unique perspective completely on its own.
And they didn't stop at just drafting the content based on that thesis. The agent team crossed the finish line. The workflow hooked directly into a Gmail account. From there, the team lead agent started coordinating with specialized growth and branding agents. Together, they brainstormed compelling email subject lines, optimized the newsletter's overall structure, and then automatically formatted and distributed the final product. It handled the entire end-to-end distribution.
Which leads us to a massively important realization. This entire multi-layered workflow, the researching, synthesizing, writing, formatting, and distributing, it's not a one-off party trick. It is a repeatable, sustainable business process. You can set this system up to generate, prepare, and publish future content on a strict, recurring schedule without you having to manually intervene at every single step along the way.
Finally, Section 5, Managing Outcomes over Tasks and what this means for the future of work.
There's this fantastic quote from Professor Crypto describing his experience with this whole setup. He said, "Instead of managing tasks, I was managing outcomes." And I think that just captures the shift perfectly. When your AI team handles all those tedious, granular tasks, you get to step back and act as the visionary. You get that incredibly rewarding feeling of watching an abstract concept rapidly transform into an actual running business.
So, circling back to our opening thesis, we have firmly entered a totally new paradigm. AI has grown up. We are leaving behind the days when AI was just a helpful little chat tool you bounced ideas off of. It has fully matured into a comprehensive execution system capable of independently carrying out incredibly complex workloads.
Which leaves us with one really vital question to wrap things up. Now that AI can execute full workflows totally independently, what business process are you going to automate first? The tools to build your very own agent team are literally sitting right here, ready to go. It's time to start thinking about outcomes instead of tasks. Thanks so much for joining me for this explainer, and I highly encourage you to start exploring how autonomous